Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Bro, this is insane. So, guys, I just booted up the new Gorilla Tag. And there's that. Hold up, before we do that, we gotta go check out, beach, see if that little tunnel opened up. Because I want to see what that does, because that's really cool. I want to be the first person. Yo, what? The water's purple now, like a chemical reaction. No, this is the... Hold up, there's got to be something in beach. I just know it. I haven't checked out any of the cosmetics yet. I've heard there are new ones. Okay, so that thing in beach hasn't opened up. Everything in beach looks normal. So, now that we've checked out everything in beach. The water's purple though. Does it burn? Yo, it's red when you go under it. Hold up. Oh my god. City, here I come. First off, I want to see how this works. No, really? A volcano? Whoa, this is sick. And there was a launch yesterday that Gorilla Tag posted saying, oh my god. What is that? And then we gotta, can I pick, there's our rocks. Can I drop it in here? Oh, it adds up. Hold up. I think we're gonna, hold up guys. Ooh. Let's fill it. Yeah. Oh, what's going on? Oh my god. What? Oh god, oh no. What is this? Oh my god. Oh. Crap. Bro, what is this? It's not rising? No, is this, floor's lava? Hold up, this is sick. Did they put new music in, at least? Yo, you can jump into the lava. That's sick, bro. Wait. Hold up, what? Yo, are the trees over there catching on fire? Because we can see the volcanoes right there. It went that high. Are the trees burning? Trees look like they're burning, bro. This is insane. Hold on, I need to invite my friend on. Jesus. Bro, Paxton. Paxton, come on, let me start a call with you. Start a call. Oh god. Bro. Yo, it's not rising. How do we... It's not rising. It's just lava. Yo, this is actually sick. Hold on. We can swim in the... Yo, this is sick, guys. Oh my god. Is this the origin of the lava monkey? Hold on, we need to go check all the maps to make sure nothing changed. Cause this is bizarro. There's something over there that's coming, I can tell it. It's like a... Oh my god, this is insane. Lemming actually outdid himself. Sorry about the back. Do you hear music in the background? I was watching live stream on this, but I didn't show any cosmic. But that's... Look at that, guys. Hold up, we need to go check. Canyons. Did they do anything to canyons? No. Okay. Hashtag. Wait, hold up. I think this is part of where we are. Let's read the board. The weather is usually cooler this time of year, but forest is heating up and active volcanoes emerge. We can hardly hear the lava bubbling over the eruptions of laughter. Check out the shop and grab fun gear to handle the heat. Stylish cosmetics that will have you looking hotter than ever. Exclusive. Hashtag where VR Cosmetics will be in city for 24 hours starting on September 20th. That's tomorrow, bro! Or that might be today. I don't know. Hold up, but that's... Yeah, I went down here and checked these out, but this is sick, bro. I mean, a slingshot? I had to, guys, you know? And nothing over here has changed. That's all the same. But, like, let's go try these on real quick. So, this ring looks dope on me, but I like my old ring. But what if I put this ring on this finger, guys? And then we got a slingshot. Slingshot. It's pretty sick. Oh my god, I'm probably gonna ask my dad for some shiny rocks. Mountain badge, volcano badge. Probably my new badge if it places my caves badge. These little things make me look like a professor. Gloves. Perry the Parrot. Oh yeah, I'm a pyromaniac. Bro, what's this? Oh, I have the power. Viking VR is gonna love this update. I just know this, bro. Chili. What's this do? Do I eat it? Oh, I can eat it. What does it do though? Oh, that's sick. It makes your mouth burn, bro. And then this is amazing, guys. Lava hat. Yeah. Let's go see how much these cosmetics are. I'm not that rich. See, what can I buy? I can buy a badge. Give me that. It's a free item, guys. Let's see. What else? Hat, please. Give me this. I want that slingshot so bad, though. Like, come on. Bro, look how cool this looks. And it shoots like little meteors, bro. Paintball, and then I really want it. Oh yeah. Hold up. There's gotta be something in caves if there's all this like rock stuff. Right? Let's go check out mountains first. Make sure they didn't do anything to good old mountains. Okay. No, mountains is good. Let's see here. City is good. We gotta check out basement. Because they put in the tiniest details. That can actually lead up to a really big event. So, you know. Let's see, we got a bunch of this stuff. Wow. So, the volcano down here. Molten update. Bro, I was waiting for this update to come out so long ago, bro. This is the best update we've had in a while. So, nothing's new in here. We gotta check out caves if there's all this rock stuff. First off, this is my new hat. This is my new badge. I don't care what you all say. That is my new badge. Because I can't get figure painter because I'm not that good of a content creator. Anyways, let's go check out caves. Because there's a lot of rock-related stuff down here. So, yeah, nothing new in caves. Let's go see it, boys. And girls, if you watch. Okay, so, oh, the lava leaves after a while. It's the last to survive. What is that, though? Hold on, I'm probably gonna uninstall my game and then re-download it so I can get to tutorial, but what is that? Maybe if I do like the lava thing enough then look at it. It's not like this is. Can I get in here? Oh no, I can't. But like it's a mini. I know what this is. That volcano right there. That's gonna be how big this is. Forest is getting an entire revamp. I just know it. Forest is gonna get an entire revamp. I said it. Everything here looks so cool. That is going to be the end of Forest. Forest fire. What did they do to this? Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but like, what the hell is this? What did they do? They get rid of... Does the lava thing... Hold up. Does the lava thing get more and more advanced the more you put rocks in it? Kobe! I'm literally him today, guys. Thunk. It's getting hotter, guys. Ready? Rah! Oh god. Wait, the lava depletes over time. Huh. Hold on, it's getting ready to explode! Yes, get hotter. Come on. Why am I missing everything? Yeah, see, it dies down. You gotta do this really fast. Oh, fuck. Not my hand! Yeah, you gotta do it really fast if you're doing it on your own. Like, it's like it requires multiple monkeys or something to do. Oh shit, there it goes. Hold on, does it get higher? Oh, yeah. There we go. That came a lot faster. Hold up. Does it get any higher? Yeah, it does. Wait, guys, I figured it out. It gets a lot higher. See that? No, Doug! Doug, don't burn! I'll take you to Matt. You'll be safe there. Come on. Oh, God. Well, what's that volcano up there for, then? That thing looks like it's gonna erupt. Doug, I'll save you! Doug! Come back, Doug! I'll save you! Yes. Wait, can he drown? Can he die? Oh, I think I killed Doug. Well, guys, ow! Hit something. One sec, guys. But hold up, this update's really fire, my guy. Like, check this out. So, guys, I think that's gonna be the end of the video from me. Until next time, ciao.